Kia ora, Chrissy back again, and we're going to get into the next episode of Chainsaw Man.
Like, comment, and subscribe, please.
So last time we had Kill Denji, our group around this hotel, being stuck in some kind of loop on the 8th floor, and then finding out that they are up against the Eternity Devil, and it will let them go if they feed Denji to it. So I think Kobeni and the other guy, Arai, they're kind of losing it a bit. Kobeni is very happy with sacrificing Denji, and she and Arai both try to make it happen. Aki takes a knife for Denji after they try to, send Denji to the devil. Which was really surprising. So Denji has decided that, you know what, this devil is scared of his chainsaws, so he's going to offer himself up, and he jumps straight into the devil's maw. So we're going to get into the next episode and see what happens. If you'd like the full length reaction to this episode as well as others in the series and other shows, then you can go to my Patreon. The link will be down in the description box below. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. Just give this video a like, commenting, subscribing to my channel. Any of that will help as well. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, he did. He just jumped straight into his mouth. He's going to tear him up from the inside. Things are about to get bloody. His reputation precedes him. Holy shit! He's going just crazy. Well, yeah. Go and help him, Power. Oh, shit. Oh, hang on. He's only been in there for like a minute or so, and he's gonna die already. Well, I mean, obviously he's not gonna die, but he can't be defeated already. Okay. He's gonna eat the devil? Wow, okay. Yeah, I think Denji's got a few screws loose. So yeah, to survive you need to be a bit crazy. Well, I guess that makes sense. He said that like it's, I don't know, not a good thing. Do we know who the gun devil is?
Aki-kun, 一緒にさ、民間に転職しない？銃やろうなんて追わなくてもさ。
She doesn't want him searching for it?
銃の悪魔と戦ったら、絶対アキ君は殺される。私たちがまだ実力不足だからでも、だってアキ君はかっこよくて、真面目で、優しくて、みんなみたいに普通の人だから。
I don't think he's that normal. in comparison to Denji, I guess he does seem pretty normal.
切られて血流して俺がてめえの血飲んで回復か永久期間が
Yeah.
この最高にネジがぶっ飛んでる男なら中野郎を殺せるかもしれない。
Christ, though. Still going?
アキくんまだ生きてる。
Okay, power. She's out for the count.
どのくらい経ちましたか？
あれから3日くらいかな。
Fuck, 3 days he's been going at it.
飲みに行こう。終わったからちょっと眠るわ。
終わった。
It is? Wow. Asking Denji to kill him now, or to kill it now. Done. It's hilarious.
出れた。10の悪魔の肉片も取れたし、晴れてるし、クソした後みてえな気分だぜ。
Fuck Denji. And he's out.
アキくんとデンジくんは私たちで病院に連れてく。残り2人で今回のことを報告しに行って。
Was this like their first day? Field work? Well, 3 days, I guess.
新人歓迎会。
それがさ、コベニちゃんと新井くんが公安やめるっつってんだよね。悪魔が怖くなっただけじゃなく、デンジくんを殺そうとしちゃって悔いて。
Well, yeah.
姫野先輩も殺そうとしてたじゃないで
Yes,
す
he
か。
did.
ねえ、そんくらいでやめちゃうんだわ、今の子は。
どうせ飲むなら牧間さんと飲みたい。来週から牧間さん京都出張。デンジが悪魔に狙われた件で応援求めに。
Oh.
正直さ、デンジ君って何者だと思う？一番謎なのが、あのマキマさんがデンジ君を気にかけてること。
That is kind of weird.
デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのかも。
Secret as to how he became the Chainsaw Devil? Oh man, the food always looks so good.
刺身は全部わしの
んだこれ、うまそう。
パフェ3つ。あと、
Oh, should you be using your chopsticks like that?
キスの件は。
Yeah, with tongue even.
シラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさ、もっと酔ったらしてあげる。かましてやるからさ。デンジ君がみんなで殺そうとしたこと許してね。
ああ、もう超許すよ。超。
Is this also going to be a case of, you know, he gets a kiss from her, but it just doesn't do anything for him because it's not Makima, you know, like how the touching of the boobies went?
俺デンジ。年は確か16。趣味は食うのと寝るの。やば、バカ。
あんた酒飲んでないよね。
お茶。
I didn't realize he was only 16.
東山小紅です。20歳です。契約してる悪魔は秘密で、趣味は美味しいものを食べることです。
Oh, I want to know what it is.
おりょう、フシさんとこの新人は？
残念ですが、昨日亡くなりました。
南無阿弥陀仏。
そんな簡単に死ぬんです。
Yeah. Come on now.
まあバンバン死んでくよね。私の同期ももう公安にいないし。
デンジ君は私とキスしたいから死なないもんね。
Dude, you're 16. Is that legal over there? I think it is, right? It's way too young for me to be watching.
俺今日ファーストキスしちゃうんだ。
キス？
マキマさん、ここにどうぞ。
本物のマキマさん初めて見た。
デンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
しません。
デンジ君キスしないの？
He's whipped.
姫野さんとキスするとかマキマさんに見られたくない。
チーブしないの？
マキマさん、俺さ、銃の悪魔のなんちゃら拾いましたよ。
うん、聞いたよ。デンジ君はすごいね。
マキマさんはデンジのこと何か知ってるんじゃないですか。
Not gonna say anything?
私より飲んだら教えてあげる。
You know that's not gonna happen.
すいません、生2つ。
バサス、唐揚げ、バサス。
唐揚げ。
すいません、生もう一つ。
Oh!
おや。
見られちゃった。マキマさん、
Oh no, I don't need to see the tongue, alright?
気持ちいい。柔らかい、柔らかい。なんだこれ。舌？口の中でとろけてるぞ。
Careful you don't pop a fucking boner at the table or whatever.
まずいぞ、これはまずいぞ。デンジは口に入れない栄養になるもの。
No!
落ちた。
That was disgusting! For real?
見ろ、ポチタ。ネズミが酔っ払いのゲロに集まってら。ゲロ食うなんて信じられねえよな。
It's the one thing I cannot stand.
俺には自制心が足りないんだ。博士はお前だろ。お前みたいにデビルハンターの才能はなかったがな。羨ましいよ。
羨ましいだと。こっちやよ。
I knew it wasn't gonna. I knew it. Oh, ugh. Oh no. Can we get off this thing, please? Thank you. Yeah, I can handle a lot, but that is one thing I can't do.
あれ、デンジ君は？
It's got his head down the toilet.
姫野先輩が背負って連れて行きましたよ。
Oh. He's only 16. Please don't do anything.
どこだここ。水。
Uh-oh.
そういや君、マキマさんのことラブでしょ。あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのに。もう牛。
She is so drunk. Don't do anything you'll regret, please.
しちゃう。
What am I watching? I think I mentioned this in the last episode, right? That I did not expect this show to go this way. It's very sexy. Well, you know, there's quite a bit of sex in it. Not the actual act, but you know what I mean. Well, maybe not the actual act, if that's anything to go by. But yeah, I don't know. I just did not expect it. I mean, I don't even know what to say. I'm not a prude or anything, you know. Oh, but no, throwing up in someone's mouth. I haven't done it personally myself, but I can imagine how horrible it'd be. Though I did have a friend that did something way worse than that. Not in the mouth, somewhere else, and it was fuck, we made fun of her for so long after that. That was just gross. Oh, I'm sorry, it was just gross. All the bloody puke talk. But I think the most important thing there is the I don't know, that devil seemed to know Denji. They keep calling him Chainsaw. And I thought it was really funny that after the 3 days of fighting, it basically begged for Denji to kill it because it was just had enough. But it looks like Himeno has taken that on board as like being crazy enough to actually succeed at killing the gun devil. Why does she want the gun devil dead? I mean, I can guess why. Its ability to kill people, like really hundreds, I think she said, in seconds. Obviously, with that attack from the last time when we learned about Aki, you know, it did that 1.2 million. So I understand why they want to kill it. If that was the case, why did she try to deter Aki from doing it, and like by going private? Is it just because that she didn't want to see another, because what she thought he wasn't crazy enough? She didn't want to lose another partner. But, you know, she sees how crazy Denji is and thinks that he'll be able to do it. But whatever this talk is about, a secret that Makima knows about Denji or how he got his powers, is that what they're talking about? I don't know. That's something that's still in the back of my head. Lots of questions, but we've still got quite a few episodes to go to try and get some answers. But yeah, other than that, I knew that the kiss with Himeno wasn't going to work out just by going by, you know, with the, like I said, the boob touching. Though I didn't think it was going to be that horrific. Now the whole sex thing, I mean, I can't get behind it because he's only like 16 and God knows how old she is. I don't know what the... It just is weird. It just feels weird to me, even though I can't be a hypocrite. But yeah, I don't want her to... I say I don't want her to force herself on him, but I mean, he's a 16-year-old boy with raging hormones, clearly. He'll probably be all up for it. Though, I still think that because the boob touching and the kiss didn't work out, I don't think the sex is going to work out either. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to leave it there for today because that was just all kinds of crazy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more Chainsaw Man. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.